Stop! Before you learn loops and advanced Java concepts, there is one topic that every coding interview asks about. If you don't understand operators, solving programming problems becomes almost impossible. Welcome back to day 3 of our 100 days Java challenge. Today we are learning operators and expressions, the backbone of every Java program. Imagine you want to add two numbers, compare marks, checking voting eligibility, or calculate interest. All of these tasks require operators. Operators are special symbols that performs operations on values and variables. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Addition combines numbers, subtraction finds differences, multiplication scales values, division splits values, and modulus gives that remainder. The modulus operator is extremely important because it helps us solve problems like checking whether a number is even or odd. Next are relational operators. Relational operators. We have relational operators. These operators compare values and return either true or false. For example, checking whether a student passed an exam or whether a person's age is greater than 18. After that come logical operators. So we have logical operators, logical and, logical not, logical or. These conditions needs to be checked together. For example, if a person must be older than 18 and have a valid ID card, it's logical. So logical operators makes this possible. Then we have assignment operators. We used to assign values in these assignment operators. These operators help update variable values quickly using shortcuts like plus equals to, minus equals to, or modulus equals to, like that. They make programs shorter and easier to read. And another important concept is increment and decrement operators. Mostly the questions will ask using this concept, so go through this concept thoroughly. This concept is increment and decrement operators. Values by 1 and are heavily used in loops, counters, and interview coding questions like that. Increases value by 1. That means we have taken a variable named a equals to 10 and a plus plus. If we initialize this one, that means it's increment by 1. It's increment the value of a variable by 1, so the output will give 11. For this minus minus, that means decrement, decreases value by 1, so we got 9. And coming to expressions in Java, an expression is a combination of variables values, and it provides a result. We call it an expression. Java evaluates expression using operator precedence rules, which are similar to Bodmer's rule you learned in mathematics, right? Let's practice with real-time examples. We'll calculate the sum of two numbers, finding the rectangle or anything. So here we have result equal to 10 plus 20. So it's an expression. More examples: a plus b, salary into bonus, a is greater than 18. All these are expressions. Operator precedence means Java follows Bodmer's rule. For int result, we have stored one expression in that variable, and 10 plus 5 into 2. Based on Bodmer's rule, first we will multiply the 5 and 2. So we got 10 as a result of 5 into 2. Then we need to add these remaining, and recently we got answered, so we got 20. The output is 20. The practice problem 1 is finding sum of two numbers and finding area of rectangle, checking whether eligible for voting or not, even or calculate simple interest, finding simple interest, and so on. Practice these kind of questions to go through the conditions or operators and expressions. Today's challenge is to create a Java calculator that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operations based on your user input. Comment day 3 completed after finishing the challenge. Tomorrow in day 4 we will learn so many things and where your program starts making intelligent decisions. If you are enjoying this challenge, hit the like button, subscribe to She Codes, and share this video with your friends. Let's master Java together, one day at a time. Happy coding!